What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today I'm going to be showing off my Beretta Model 85 BB. It's chambered in 380. Just to show you, it's clear. That way the internet safety police knows I'm safe. So a while back I had purchased this through Classic Firearms under their surplus. It's a double action, single action. Direct blowback. The barrel is like 3.82 inches, I believe. Magazine holds 8 rounds plus one of the chamber. It's got the ambidextrous safety. That way when you grab it, you can flip right down. Comes with fixed sights. It's got the white dot in the front, and then the rear is just a single white dot. I really like the design of the open slide. The magazine is single stack. I believe these were police trade-ins from like Italy and Europe and stuff like that. And this one does not come with the decocker. You have to manually decock it yourself, which some people might get a little nervous about. But I didn't buy this to carry, for concealed carry. I have other guns for that. Soon I'll be showing the rest of my pistol collection. This one I just bought because it looked cool. It's kind of like a little mini Beretta 92 or whatever. It fits actually really good in the hand. I mean, they are really reliable. If it held more rounds, I might carry it. But, you know, only being 8-round magazine with 380. If I'm carrying a 380, I'd like a lot more rounds than that. You know. Soon I'll be getting Glock 19 and a Glock 45. I've always been a fan of Glocks. Used to have a 26 40 cal, and that was a snappy little guy. This does have the firing pin block safety, so when it's on safety the trigger does nothing. And the double action, the trigger is really heavy. And then the release. It gets really short in single action once you get that first round off, if you don't have it cocked and ready to go. I believe in double action the trigger is about 7 pounds, and then single action a little over 3 pounds. When I got this, it came with just one magazine, all metal. I mean, this gun looks like it was never hardly used. There's like tiny little spots rubbed off, but like no wear at all. I mean, the thing looks pretty much new. It's dirty, got fingerprints and stuff on it, but I ended up getting another magazine. I think they're like 30 something a piece for these things, so kind of expensive. But yeah, this is just kind of like a cool gun to take to the range, a little collector piece. Like I said, I don't ever plan on carrying this. But yeah, it's a cool little gun. I mean, can't wait to get to the range and shoot it. I have not got to even shoot anything out of this yet. .380 ammo is not too expensive. I have a whole bunch of ammo stocked up for multiple different calibers. Like, I'll be making other videos, but I have my Beretta 1873 Cattleman revolver. That's 45 Colt. And then I have my Colt Police Positive 38 Special. This thing's kind of cool. So stay tuned for the videos on them. I also have a Taurus G2C 9mm, which is really underrated in my opinion for the price. It's super reliable. I ended up getting that for like a camping gun, take with me. That way if it ever gets like damaged or something, you know, I'm not out a lot of money. Like $300 I think it was. But then I have I don't have it out right now, but I have like a Heritage Arms or the Rough Rider 22 that's pretty much like identical to my 45 long Colt. I even put pearl grips on it to match this. But yeah, this Beretta is pretty cool. Came with the black plastic grips, which work alright. Maybe sometime I'm going to order the wood grips for it. Gives it that more classic look. But yeah, I'm hoping to get out to the range soon here and pop some rounds off and see how it shoots. From everything I've seen online and people I've talked to that own these, they're actually really reliable, fairly accurate. But like I said, something like this you're not really gonna want to carry. I mean, you know, for smaller people or some women that don't like shooting guns with, like, you know, a lot of kick to it, this is something they could use. You know, 380 is pretty easy to shoot. But then, you know, the smaller the gun too, the snappier they are. You want a longer barrel for it to be, you know, more accurate and easier to shoot. But yeah, when I ordered this through Classic Firearms, they have like a thing where you can pay a little extra and get the hand select models. They're supposed to be like, you know, better condition because some of them are pretty beat up. And before I purchased this, I seen a bunch of people's, you know, videos online, and like a lot of theirs had excessive wear from like holster and nicked and beat up and stuff like that. And glad I paid a little bit of extra because this thing, it looks brand new. There's no scratches. Like, it's in really good shape. And this is the later model, I believe. So it's got the straight grooves on the back of the grip and here on the front. But yeah, I just wanted to do a couple of these small, shorter videos to show off my collection. And then once I put more rounds through them, I can do like a full review kind of, and just let everyone know how it is and if I have any problems. And a couple days ago, I just posted a video on my AR-15, my Aero Precision M4E1. So if you're into that kind of thing, rifles and stuff, go check out that video. And as always, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has served in the military, first responders, and all the people trying to make a difference. You guys are the real heroes, not these stupid celebrities and these elite bastards. We all know where they're going. So yeah, thanks for tuning in to my video. Consider hitting subscribe. Hit that like button, it really helps the channel. And yeah, just try to be a good person. That's all the advice I can give. Alright, well, stay tuned for future videos. I'll be showing off the rest of my collection and some of the new ones that I'll be getting, like the Glock 45 and the 19. Thanks for watching.